Hello, hello. I feel like I'm fuzzy. The lights are on like normal. I don't know what the problem is. All right, let's see who pops on besides myself, because I'm here. Don't need that up anymore. Hey, hey, Miss Samantha. I need to go this page. I need this. I have too many things I'm trying to do at once. See, I feel like I'm fuzzy. Can you tell I need my glasses on? All right, go back over here. And this is not being very helpful. There. I don't need that. I need that. All right. Shoot. It's got to be one of those nights. And that's not what I wanted to do either. Hello. Oh my goodness, Samantha, that is horrible. Let's see if I can do this correctly now. Probably not. Hey, looky there. Whew. Okay, so I just ate before I came on, finally. Oh gosh, pain in the left eye. Ah. And some reason I'm all achy right here, and I don't know why. And I've been that way like more than half the day. I did not get injured playing hockey. Not on that side. I jammed this side, not this side. Haven't been hit over here in a while. So, I don't know what happened. The last time I played was Monday. Today's Wednesday. Normally, if I'm ouchy, it shows up the next day. Like, usually it's 24 hours. That's not what I want. So I don't know what's going on with that. It just feels like some weird pain. All right, let me send this one more place. Because where I'm doing it is not where I mean to be doing it. So, and I need to turn on my easy press as well, because I didn't do that yet. All right, good enough. Hey, Miss Patty. Oh. Yeah, but pain behind your eyes is not good. All right, let me get back to that. All right, let me turn on the easy press and we'll finish up the shirt. Ow, see, it hurts. And then, okay, so I switched the dogs because there's two that can't be together because one picks a fight on the other, and, well, it's been a year. But I don't trust them, and I don't want to deal with it, so they keep getting separated. Because the one you can't tell. She's just going to... I'm like, really? So anyway, I let the dogs out. I switched them. I had some food. And then the one dog, the one that's in the kennel right now, just started like hacking, like coughing. And coughing so bad that like she was spitting up just saliva. And then she just kept licking stuff. I was like, stop licking. And she kept licking. She was licking and she was like making herself hack more. I'm like, would you stop licking? So I gave her some pet CBD. I put her back in the kennel so she's not out roaming and licking everything. I think I still hear her in there licking, but at least the kennel's a confined area and there's only so much she can lick. It's kind of annoying. Anyway, she's in there now. Alright, so this is the transfer we did last night. Life is Pretty Amazing is what it's called. Because when you stop and look around, this Life is Pretty Amazing, Dr. Seuss. Very similar to what they had Ferris Bueller say. And so this is, ow, see, it hurts. Like just lifting that shirt hurts. Ow. So this is how we did it last night. And because there was so much color on there, and I wanted to keep it where it was bright and popping, I let it dry for 24 hours instead of just quick drying it and then heat setting it last night. So we're taking out my ink mat, putting that back on there. And I'm going to get my heat mat now. Put that underneath my shirt, and we're going to heat set this because it's not heat set yet. I don't know what I did to my arm. And we're going to put some parchment paper on there because it's just easier to move around. That's ready. All right, we're going to grab that. Alright, we're going to put it that way. Pardon my crazy pants. Alright, so technically it's 30 seconds per side at 305 degrees. Hello, Miss Kaylin. I don't know why I'm in pain. I don't know what I did. All over here hurts, like right here. And I did not do anything playing hockey Sunday or Monday that would have caused it. Normally my pain shows up 24, it's all the way over here too. It's 24 hours later, so it should have shown up yesterday, not today. I didn't do anything last night except for play with y'all online, unless I really slept wrong. Now this side I jammed on Sunday, but it wasn't anything bad. I don't know what the problem is. But even just like picking up the shirt hurt. Alright, I'm sure that's been longer than 30 seconds. You don't have to move the heat press around. I just do it because it gives me something to do. Well, okay, I can't do that two-handed, or one-handed. And even though that dried for 24 hours, see that? That right there and that's still, that's ink from the shirt. So I'm glad I put the parchment paper on there. So now let me flip it, make sure our design's on the mat. And we will do the other side. You could flip it inside out if you want, but I'm lazy. I'm not going to. You don't really need to anyway. Most of the shirts that I wear on my lives, I have inked with our Chalk Couture inks and transfers. I don't do them inside out. A rib up here? A rib? I didn't do anything. Hello, Fuzzy. Well, come jab it back in. It feels like I need to pop. Would you stop? You're being fuzzy. Like, this side, I've been hit enough, like right here in the collarbone, that occasionally, like, it feels like it needs to pop to get, not getting back in place, but like when you need to crack a finger, like, you know, it's kind of what that feels like. This side feels totally different. But it feels like my chest needs to pop. Move, little dog. Alright, that shirt is now done, and it's very hot. It feels actually really good. Pardon me a second. Oh, that actually feels good. I found a new heating pad. That actually feels really good. Yeah, good massage. A little heat therapy real quick. Sorry, y'all have to put up with that. The heat's only gonna last a minute. But the heat mat really is nice and toasty. 305 degrees. Oh, right there. That actually feels really nice. Okay, that feels better. Oh my gosh. Crafting and muscle therapy. All right, so there's our cute little shirt. I love the colors. Love the way it came out. The color blocks were inspired by Sarah, one of our Chalk Couture leaders. She's actually the founder of Chalk Couture. But she had a shirt on when they did the preview of the catalog that was in different colors, but it was in these little color blocks. And I'm like, oh, that's so cute. Let's do one. So I made one. So there's that. And then we have these new cute little bird cutouts that are still in my make and take that I have not opened. So we're going to do the bird cutouts tonight. Or we're going to try to. See the dog that had the coffee, or the licking? She just coughed in the other room. She probably had been in there licking. Oh. And then I gotta find the transfer that goes with this. She's coughing again. Which means she's probably just hacking up stuff. So we got Shimmer Orchid and Shimmer Rose Gold. Look how pretty those are. Ooh, that's really pretty. That is gorgeous. It's like a shimmer, hot, purpley pink. And we got our cute little birds. And then we got our chalk suede tags. Oh, there are some brown ones in there. And that's our goodies for that. There's the bird cutouts right there. We're going to open up these chalk suede tags first because I'll look at them. And I got to message Kelly because I told her I was getting live. sorry. Weird face, because I'm trying to see if my dog's puking. Can't tell. She's hacking. All right, somewhere on here. There it is. It says white. I thought they got white and... Oh. Okay, we only got white. I thought we got a sample of white and the craft. There's like a craft brown. Oh, hey! There's Miss Kelly. We heat setted our shirt. Oh my gosh. It's one of those nights. You've missed all the stuff. Kelly, you've missed all the stuff about my arm being a pain in the butt. And my dog hacking and licking everything. And hacking because she's licking everything and it's getting caught in her throat. And of course when she's hacking, she's spitting foam. Like dog foam. Okay, oh, these are so nice. These are our new Chalk Suede tags. It comes with, pretty sure it's 12. Yep, there's 12. So half of them are like the little dovetail. I think that's what they're called. And the other ones are scalloped on the bottom. And they are really soft and smooth. It's almost like suede. And you can chalk on these. They're paper. You can chalk on it. And if you make a mistake, you can wipe it away real quick. Do not submerge these in water, but you can wipe it away real quick. Now, it probably won't work if it's something that's been on there for a while. But if you make an oopsie, you can fix it. And it also comes with the little, it's not ribbon, it's thread, string to hang those with. So we will play with those in the future. What are you doing, Fuzzy? Hello. Alright, so there's our cute little birds. They're so tiny. See? She's hacking. What did you just do? See? The dog's being fuzzy underneath me, getting in trouble. Aren't you? Aren't you? Hey, fuzzy butt. Alright, so we're going to cut this up with my ruler and my fake X-Acto, because it's got the best blade right now. Some designers like to take their scissors and cut these all into little pieces. No thank you, I do not want to keep track of all those extra pieces. So I just apply enough pressure, hopefully, to cut through the transfer and not all the way through the backer. Yay. And then when I'm done with my transfer, I can put it back on the same backer sheet that it came on and keep all the pieces together. And I put them back in their plastic sheets that they arrive in. And it keeps everything nice and tidy for me. Because think about it, this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of transfers that I would have to keep track of that go together. No thanks. Now take 8 pieces of transfer and multiply that by many, many, many transfers. No, 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 we're not doing that crap. Alright, so now I need to do this one. It's very interesting how they put these on here. They blocked them on. They filled all the available space on this transfer without having to go to one of the larger size transfers, which I absolutely love. I think she puked. Pretty sure she did. Okay, well, I have a surprise later. It's just from her licking. I don't know why she's licking so much. I even gave her pet CBD to calm her butt down. Yeah, she puked. I smell dog food. That's why I know. And they ate their dinner at 6. It's now 11:30. That should not be coming back up. All right, we're gonna cut open our cute little bitty birds. But the good news is she's in the kennel and she's not puking all over the floor. Yay. All right, so we have the big bird. We have the teeny tiny bird. He's not teeny tiny, but he's cute. And then we have that. We have these, they're called slim cuts. See how thin they are? And those are the wings. And you can attach the wings however you want. And to attach the wings, there's 2 for the big bird, 2 for the little bird. There is double-sided stickies in here, or you could use glue dots if you have those. And you apply them where you want. All right, so we're going to do one side of the birds. And they're not really flat on the bottom, but because the way their tails are, they do sit. Actually, that one doesn't. All right, and I am going to... Ow, ow, ow. Because this is all white on a white desktop, we're going to put a piece of cardboard down so you can see what I'm actually doing. See? Isn't that much better? All right, do we want to do the... Let's do the flowers, I think. Maybe? And what color am I doing the birds? I don't know what Big Doggie's problem is. Like, all of a sudden she started licking everything. And of course, when you're licking everything, you're picking up everything. And so then she got some stuff stuck in her throat. And so she started hacking. And she hacked up or spit up some foamy saliva. And then she continued to keep licking and licking and licking and kept repeating the process. Licking all over different things. And I'm like, what? I don't know why all of a sudden she started to lick. There's nothing wrong. So anyway, I switched her and little fuzzy butt back out. And so she's sitting in the kennel, licking in the kennel, and obviously puking because she's licking so much. And it's tickling her throat, and then she hacks and more foamy stuff. Yay. All right, so, ow. We have flower birds and we have word birds. So are we doing flowers or are we doing words? Y'all tell me, which one are we doing tonight? The flowers or the words? And then we'll figure out what color we're doing. And then I gotta figure out what wing pattern I'm doing. This is so weird. I can see you asked that up there, but not over there yet. So random. So random. Birds, the word. Ha 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 ha. All right, there's that. I'm looking for, where is my birds? I just made them. There they are. Oh my Oh my goodness. What? There. See, she just coughed again. She's probably gonna puke again. Okay, that's the catalog where you can go shopping on the catalog. It's really cool. What's going to pop up next is the link to actually purchase the birds, the transfer, a mini squeegee. There's a $1 donation for Watts of Love in there, and then you need to pick out some paste single colors or paste jars. I left that up to you. If you hit that link for the birds more than once, it's going to put another set in your cart. If you hit it again, it's going to add a third set, so be careful how many times you do it. So there's that. Good grief. I gotta read that later. Alright, so Kelly says birds the words. Alright, well we're doing bird words, I guess. Bird words. Bird words. I don't really feel like making my birds red. I'm gonna move their little wings over to the side. And I'm not sure eucalyptus is bright enough. I want bright, pretty color. Oh, ow. And I'm not using the new shimmers. We're going to use Colonial Blue. That's going to be one of them. And maybe Citrus Splash. Or Lakeshore. We're going to do 2 bluebirds. We're going to make some bluebirds. Alright. Maybe not Lakeshore because it's not open. Alright. I have another color. I could use it, but I don't want to open it because it's not open yet. And I have plenty of paste that are open, like Morning Sky. I need to use up some of these that are open. See? Morning Sky. Alright. I do need to stir this baby up. Because last time I used it, I sprayed some water on top to keep it a little moister. So I need to stir that up. So if you're watching, my name is Vicki. I'm an independent designer with Chalk Couture. And we're just playing with our new bird cutouts tonight. We're going to attempt to. Getting our paste situated. We're going to check out Colonial Blue, which probably, yep, it needs to be stirred up too. And if you don't have multi-tools, that's what this is. Some people call them multi-tools. I call them multi-tools. These are fantastic for stirring the paste jars up. They're fantastic for doing small little areas of your transfers. This side's really good for getting under the edge of the jar, but I don't usually use it because the other end's already usually in the paste. It's also good for smushing out lumps. Alright, that's going to be good enough for now. There's the lid for that one. There it is. Alright. So we're going to do some bluebirds and some words. Kelly said the word, so. Now normally on your transfers you will fuzz them. I don't fuzz them when I'm putting them on cutouts because there's not a lot that actually sticks to the cutout. And it's actually easier to line up if you actually get your light pad out, but I'm not going to do that with this one. It's not a huge area anyway. And we'll do the, might as well pull the big one out. So I have put the link to purchase the bird cutouts and the transfer in the comments. It's also in the caption for the video. Alright, we're going to start with the little one. And I'm going to get some mini squeegees out just because it's easier. Now, because this has an edge, I'm going to start in the middle and go out instead of like trying to hit that edge and go up. I think we're going to put the darker on the big one. We'll put the lighter blue on the smaller bird. So we'll start in the middle and go out. My heater just kicked on. Alright, I got one little piece of the beak right there, I got it. That one, which is funny. If you look, like, see the W right there? Can you tell that the letter is up off of the... It's kind of hard to tell, and I'm shaky because that's the arm that's hurting. Okay, see the W right there? See, there's a piece of the W sticking up. The paste went through the screen and like it just stayed up. Okay. It's popping off the bird. It's kind of interesting. I'm like, okay, well. All right, now we're gonna do the darker. This is colonial blue, which is a little bit thick. That's all right. We're gonna start in the middle and push out, just so we don't hit any of those edges. The reason being is we'll get a blob on the edge of our bird or our cutout where we hit it with a full load of paste going up onto a surface. So it's just easier to start in the surface and work out. So really, it does not take any time to do these if you're not talking. Like when I need to get a lot of stuff done for like a craft show, most of the time I'll try to do stuff on a live, because if I'm in here making stuff, I might as well be alive. But if I need to crank out a whole bunch of stuff, I will just come in here and craft away without being live and talking. Alright, so there's the big bird. So one's the actual words, one's reversed. I'm going to let those dry. I got to figure out what I want to do with the wings. I kind of want to clean those and then put the words on here again where they line up. Because you can do that. Well, no, not really. I mean, tweet's right there. I can find tweet. But the rest of them don't really line up. Oh well. Possibly. So here's the patterns for the bird wings. So we've got a small, like, generic one. We've got a small feather one. We've got a large generic just wing thing. And we've got a large polka dotted wing. I'm not sure what to do. I think I'm just going to make them the generics and reverse the color so they go together. That seems like the easiest thing to do right now. And these shapes, or the cutouts, the transfers are a little bit bigger than the cutout. I don't know what I did to my arm, Kelly. No clue. It just started hurting, and it hurts right here. Like all the way from here to here. No clue. I did not play hockey yesterday. Normally, this started the middle, well, I guess, I don't know. It started today. Normally, it's 24 hours before I start feeling ouchies. I didn't do anything in my game on Monday that would have hurt, and Sunday I kind of jammed this side, but I never really felt it after I did it. And by the way, on the wings there are two sides that are cut differently, so it's not just like the sides are the same, so you have to kind of line it up. We get our fat fingers out of the way. So anyway, I don't know what I did to my shoulder. I can tell you when we heat set that shirt earlier, I took the heat mat while it was still warm and put it on it. It felt really good. Oh, look at that. You got upgraded. Kelly got an upgrade. Now I'm just going to use the multi-tool on these because this is a small area to work with. Yeah, you got walls to cover for self-promotion. Go for it, Miss Kelly. Alright, that should be enough of that one. I'm going to put those in there. What are you doing? Close that one up after I put some water in it. That's the only thing I could think, is that I slept wrong. But I don't know how I would have slept to do that. And I need to pull this transfer off because I don't want to dry it on there. I'm pulling back up. I almost did. Then I got paste over here. Get over there. Especially with my heater going, it will dry quickly. The heater runs right over the top of me, usually. Not really a fan of that one. I could fix that though. Spray some water on that one. Oh, wow. I got the hot pink for you. Hold on. Shimmer Orchid. That's the new shimmer. Shimmer Orchid. Because I know you don't have that color. And then there's Shimmer Rose Gold, too. I don't think it's as pretty. I know a lot of people love rose gold. It's not my thing. Alright. Let me put those over there. See, I can't. Ow! Let me dry these real quick. Because that little wing, I think it needs more white flecks. But if it needs more white flecks, I have my chalk marker that I can put some on it with. We're going to move these back up here. Well, I placed an order yesterday because the new catalog came out. So I placed an order yesterday and I ordered some of the new transfers. They already have a few from Leadership and the Early Bird special that I ordered. So I ordered a few things from the new catalog. But I have that big vendor show that I'm doing with my upline in March. So I ordered a bunch of stuff for that. I barely even made a dent for that. So I have more orders to place. So if anybody's needing to order something and want me to order it instead of placing it on my Chalk site, let me know. Because I got more orders going in. Although it's pretty easy. My customers get a flat rate of $6.95 for shipping. It's cheaper than what I can do it. It's this wing right here that needs to dry. I'm afraid to put my fingers on them because I'm afraid I'm going to swoosh them. Now, I'm not going to take the stickies and put them on yet because I want to chalk the other side. Now, when I chalk it, I don't want it to be uneven. If I put the wings on now, it's going to be uneven surface. So I will wait to put the wings on. And see, there's another set of wings to do the other side. So, February 1st was my 3rd year anniversary. February 1st. Because I waited till February 1st when the new kit came out. When you're chalking your wings, make sure it's the direction you want it to go when you choose which side, because they, like I said, they are not the same shape. Because really, I really want the wing to be like that. But it's not exact the same shape. I can put it like that, but it's, most people aren't going to notice. It's about that much different. So on this one, I'm actually going to have to put it going up. So I'm happy. Most people won't even notice that. Oh, these are adorable. Like I said, I'm not putting the wings on yet. Look how cute he is. Or she. Whoever. So cute. See, I want the other... Oh. I may have to chalk the other side. Oh, that will work there too. Little birdie birds. Birdie birds. Nope, it was February 1st. I waited for the new kit so I could get... Well... I thought about signing up like January 27th or something, but then the new kit was coming out February 1st and it had stuff that I wanted in it, and it was new. So I waited till February 1st, 2019 to sign up and get my kit. So yes, I have been with Chalk Couture for 3 years now, and I am technically a mentor. I may make leading mentor again this month. So I may be going back up in rank. Depends. I will let you know. And that button didn't work. Technically, I'm a mentor because I know I'm going to hit it. And I possibly can make leading mentor because today's the 9th. We have a lot of February left. We have like, what, 19 days left? Technically? 18? So yeah, I could make leading mentor again. Yay! It's been a long time. Well, it feels like it's been a long time. Somewhere it tells me. I can't figure it out. That doesn't work. It's been several months. It's been several months, I can tell you that. So hopefully, I just had one of my former team members sign back up. And supposedly she's got somebody that's going to sign under her. We did lose a person on my team. But she's busy. She's very busy doing her other stuff. So she'll do that. Okay, these birds are really cute. Kelly, in case you didn't see the shirt, it is now inked. Sorry, it's now heat set. And even though it dried for 24 hours, when I did the parchment papers, you could still tell where the Dr. Seuss and the Amazing were on the parchment paper, even though it was dry for 24 hours. Normally, if I just do it where it's tacky to the touch and then pull it up, put the parchment on it, heat set it, I expect it to still not be fully dry. But that one was dry for 24, or had dried for 24 hours. I didn't expect it to still have some ink come up. That was a little surprising. Well, if a certain designer, Kelly Sullivan, gets her order in, I'm definitely mentor. I'm one PSQ away from making mentor. And then I need another one to make leading mentor and more team volume. So it's possible. It is very possible because there's only like 5 of my team members that have ordered so far, maybe 6. And there's several people that they need to order. They normally order, they haven't done it yet. Yeah, Kelly Sullivan. All right, so that's what we're doing tonight. Our little birdies are done. These little birds would be very cute with little glitter wings. I don't keep glitter, but they'd be very cute with glitter wings. So now I'm sitting here going, I wonder if I have shimmer frost. Where's my really old one? Here. We're going to try something. And I'm not going to dip my brush in there. Shimmer Frost is just like this white frosty shimmery stuff. I'm going to get some out and see if I can shimmer up these wings a little bit. Because I'm not a fan of glitter. It gets everywhere. Brian would be so sad. Now this would probably work better if I actually put the transfer back on there. But I don't want to clean the transfers and then put them back and wait for them to dry. Oh yeah, down it, yeah. Y'all behave. I said glitter, but I'm not using glitter. I feel like I can't hold things properly. Good thing I'm putting one wing on top of the other. Okay, these wings are very small. I need extra sticky hands or something. But if you use the foam brush and you do this correctly, you can make it kind of like a feather pattern. Too much. That one has too much. I'm taking some off is what I'm doing now. It's very wiggly. Yeah, you're not tagging him. Okay, there's some shimmer on it now. And I have a lot of leftover shimmer. Oh well, it's getting washed. So, see, now they're shimmery. They're also still wet, but they're shimmery. Yay! See, shimmery. So I think that would be really cute now. And I have shimmer everywhere. All right, so now I'm done. Because we're not doing the other side of those tonight. I could, but I'm not. Because I want this side completely dry before I have to figure out what colors I'm doing the other sides. All right, that is it for now. The Club Couture special is still going on. If you join Club Couture, which is our monthly subscription, if you join in February, you get 5 free transfers from 2021, so usually ones that you haven't gotten. And in fact, this promotion's been going so well that they had to reorder more of the February Club Couture transfer. So those are going to be delayed, but you'll still get it. And the 5-pack of transfers from 2021 is now also going to be an assortment of 2021 and 2019 transfers. So most people don't have the 2019 transfers. And it'll be 5 picked out of those dates. Now, if you're already a Club Couture member, or after you sign up for Club Couture, then you make a purchase of $60, you'll get a different pack of 5 transfers that came from 2020. So the transfers will not be the same. So you could get 10 different free transfers if you sign up for Club Couture and then you go back in and you place a $60 order. Wah! Yeah. So it's been going so well. They've had to order and order more transfers to be made, and they're having to dig back into the vault to pull out 2019 to fill all the freebie packs. So it's amazing. That's awesome. And I need that too, because if I sign up 5 club members, then I get one of those packs, and if I sign up 10 club members, I get both of those packs. So sign up so I get club transfers too, and then I can give them away or do something with them because I already have them. I have all those. I have them all. All right, that's it. If you have any questions about anything I did tonight, you want me to make something for you, let me know, and I will catch you later, maybe tomorrow. Bye.